Okay. Hello, I'm back again with my trade for today. So what I did today, a little bit chaos. My first trade, as you can see that on the daily chart, it's making wedge like that here, and it had S3 level. This S3 level means there should be any kind of interaction around that level, and it's have a daily level. So that was my whole point. It's gonna be like work as a resistance now. So, but what happened here? I was when it's make this doji on 1 minute chart, and at the same time it was R3. So I took short again here. I took short trade, and immediately it stopped me out, and I lost my 1 hour. And okay, then after that it's go to R6, R4 from pre-market data. It's wicked, and it came back. It came back. I put stop my trade and my stop loss was here, and it start doing down, and it's moved from VWAP. It's a go higher from VWAP, and I took stop loss. So these are two trade, one here, one here. Until that point, I was very much in like in concise. I know what's the plan. I was taking a little bit of everything in consideration. But now after that, you can see that it's punched through. It's punched through. That means they break this level. I should not have any taken that trade anywhere nearby now. It's not a reversal. It's not a reversal anymore. It's a just punch out. And I took short again, loss. I think put took short, break even, maybe something like that. Again, trade this one. I think I took three trade here in this area. You can see three green within 3 minutes, three trade. I think I lost almost 2 hour here, and then it was not able to punch through. It's coming down and it's holding here higher, higher. I should not have taken any trade. Should not. It's even on resistance level. It's not given me any signal yet. So I should have wait something bigger. It did that. I took trade again with stop loss here, came down, moved to move my stop loss to break even, took break even again, and I don't know why I took this trade. Even you can see that it's very wide here. It took stop loss, and then this one, and I had like this up to this point. I lost almost 5 hour, so 4 hour something. So that was my bad trading here. Should not have. Okay, I can see that this trade had little more because it's punched through 96. It's trying to come down and it's coming down. Then you can, if break this level, you can take short here and stop us here. And even though it had bounced from VWAP to time, so it's not done yet. It's not done yet. So even after that, when it's reached to R4 from without pre-market data, I took short again. Very tight stop loss. It's very risky trade. Should not have taken that one. But luckily, I took out at break even out, and that trade worked after that. But my stop loss, if I have kept my stop loss, not even break even, I I was out. I was out. My stop loss was somewhere here. So, conclusion from AMD, I lost money in AMD. $120. It's like almost 126 for 5 hour, almost five hour. So I lost almost 5 hour on this AMD. Why I lose 5 hour? How many trade I took? I'm not still not following my system, not following my plan. It's a little bit going on, a little bit going on psychologically. Luckily, luckily, I can show you what happened after that. It's all my luck. I see when I lose money over there a little bit, then I come here. I realize, okay, I have R4. That's good level, and there was no L2. I can clearly say that there was no level 2. The book map was very close to nearby, like not in the too far. I mean, too far means there was no big order below, above, anywhere. They just all order near the big and ask, okay, something happening here in the market. I had to consider those things first. Okay, so okay, price just dropped. Something happened, and price just dropping from R3. I don't know what's happening. My stop loss is still there, and it's bounced from PDC. The whole market is bouncing, and there's so much, I don't say selling, it's buying, and there's a lag between my system. There is selling. I don't know what to do now. Can I took my position out? I'm a $21. They're holding PDC. Even it's so much selling. They nobody, because as you can see this big candle here. There's a big candle here. It's okay. Now maybe it's gonna reverse because it's dropped it. It make a wedge and wait for some decision. I don't know what, some kind of news coming out, and they just tag this PDC. So somebody just have like there's liquidity from like buying a PDC, and you see that it's a big pattern on PDC here. I have almost 1 hour unrealized. Uh, I'm seeing lots of red here, but I don't know what to do. Literally, I don't know. It's just faith of God, literally. Oh, okay, so as you can see that my top is here, here, uh, 543.20. So if we count $20, their ADR, it can go to below. It can go to like almost 530, 520 if they just follow ATR. So hopefully it's gonna be do that. But another problem is you see that here on the right hand side, 2 minute chart without pre-market data is had bounce from S3. So I will take my all position out here if it's come down, if it's break this PDC. I don't hope it's gonna be break, because even with that much selling, it didn't break. So I am doubt with that. Okay, so that was my take on that. I have montage locked, no montage, no trade. I know I have came from 120 to $28, so I recover my 4 hour. So I know it's a little bit not healthy trading going on here. I took my trade. Okay, so for the SPY trade, I took trade here at the 1 minute chart. Uh, it's make wick here, trying to go down, and it has very small candle. So it's not ideal space to take short. That's why it didn't work. I took short. My stop loss was somewhere, I don't know, here. I don't took a whole trade here, I think. And it came to almost 2 hour. It came almost 2 hour, and I moved my stop loss, not stop loss, to break even, and I moved my target a little bit lower to want make more money out of that. I was greedy on that point, and it go higher, and I was want to take short here, when even I will see it's not crossing 543, but when it's crossed, it's coming down at the level of 5 or 4, and it's dropped, as you can see here in this level. There's no volume, and price just stop here. It's just stop there, and there's literally I took top of the candle. I don't know, that was very lucky shot for me, and that was my stop loss here above that level, and I my 4 hour was somewhere here. So I took 25%, 33%, and then remaining 33%, and now I'm still carrying my original 25%, almost 30% almost. So hoping for it's gonna drop lower. I have doubt, because it's bouncing every time it's go down. So PDC or R3 is making a support level. So that's my whole day. If it's uh, price action, everything not in control now. So many interaction going on. It could go higher, because it have stopped here so long. So that this trade is so much going on here. It drop here, and all the signals say to me to take it out, make it break even. But the other point of view, I'm just thinking maybe it's gonna be go low to the Dell level 536. If it's drop below PDC, I'm seeing so many wicks below that. No, they are pushing higher, and but I don't seeing any volume. I don't seeing any volume here. I'm not seeing any volume. I'm not seeing the volume. Okay, the volume here very weak. Next minute candle very weak. But there are support here. There is support here. So this is support area here. Yeah, okay. But I'm below this level here. So maybe it's gonna help me. Okay. So that for me, I made big mistake on Friday. Not Friday, yesterday. That was the Monday. I'm still trading emotional trade. My executions are very poor. I'm trying to take top. I'm not trying to catch my trend. Even you see that this trade, I am with short. Okay, that's why I'm trying to know. I want to learn how to hold. I know it's not easy. It's not easy. So I'm gonna take like that a bit more persistence technique. Take a trade, don't touch it, and give more room. Have reasonable, have a reasonable area to get shot, and don't rush. I know I did today again. My second trade and my should be below the level, man. Don't judge it. Don't judge by oh it's gonna become shorting. It's not. No, I know. I did something on AMD too. They're holding, they're buying. Whatever, man. They're buying. They're buying below, above VWAP and everything. They're gonna kick out, and they're gonna even try now higher, and then they're gonna come down. So for me, it's 11 o'clock. I'm gonna bail out and put my target near 130, 536, and stop loss at a break even. Either way, I am 1 hour down, better than 5 hour with the commission, maybe 6 hour, and I had few few mistakes today. I'm gonna walk out. I'm gonna talk with them. Okay.